everyone. Hope you're doing well. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to enable the chat tab inside the Gmail mobile app, whether you're using iPhone or Android. It only takes a minute, so let's get started. Open the Gmail app on your phone. Look at the top left corner and tap the three-line menu icon. That's the one people call the hamburger icon. From the menu that appears, scroll all the way down and tap Settings. If you have more than one Gmail account added, select the email address where you want to turn on chat. Inside the account settings, scroll down until you see the General section. Right under that, you'll find an option called Chat. To enable it, just check the box next to Chat. If you ever want to turn it off later, simply uncheck that same box. Once it's turned on, the Chat tab will appear at the bottom of your Gmail app alongside Mail and Meet, giving you quick access to Google Chat messages. That's all it takes, nice and easy. If this helped you out, please give the video a like, subscribe for more simple how-to guides, and I'll catch you in the next one.